Community link, getting started in your back office. Profile and employee management. Checking your profile data is the first thing you should do in your back office. This holds information used in your business app, and it's where you set security. From the main menu, select Member. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. In this section, you'll find profile data, business data, security, and referrals. Populate your profile data and click Save Profile. To test messaging alerts, provide your mobile number and select your mobile provider. In the case of multiple provider options, test the first option. Even though you see message sent, you may not get the text. In this case, try again using another option from your provider. In the Business Data section at the top, select a business category. As a service-based business in the community, your business type may be in the Community Services category. As a digital marketing company, we select the Advertising and Marketing category. After selecting your business category, select your business type. This is how businesses and business content are categorized in the community. Click the Save button to save your updates. In the Security section, you can update your account email, account password, and account PIN. Your default PIN is your original password. You should change your PIN now to increase security. To do this, go to the Change Security PIN section and enter your password in both the PIN and password fields. Click the Check button to validate your information and gain access to the new PIN fields. Update your PIN and click the Change Security PIN button to save your changes. In the Referrals section, you'll find a QR code that you can save to your computer by clicking. Just below that, you'll find a referral URL you can copy by clicking the Copy button at the end of the URL. Both of these can be used to refer other businesses and consumers to the community link. Just below the URL, you'll find a list of your referrals that have registered in the last 6 months and their status. Employee Source Management. You can create a new employee to allow access to your back office as a source for a distribution strategy, or both. Let's look at how that's done. In the main menu, select Member. In the Member drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings section, you'll find Employees. Click the Add Employee button to add a new employee. Add the new employee's information in the form provided. Make a note of the password if you want to allow the employee to log in. After completing the form, you can test the text messaging before saving the employee. Once you're happy with the information, click the Add New Employee button to save the employee. From the Employee panel, you can see all the details about the employee and disable or enable the account using the toggle in the top right of the panel. Click the Edit Employee button to edit employee information if there's been a change. If an employee from a particular department within your company leaves, you can edit the old information with the new employee information who's filling the position. This allows you to keep the efforts of a particular department over time based on what employee slots the views originate from. You can create an employee that is not actually a person, such as with this mall kiosk. You would only do this if you only wanted to use the employee as a source within a distribution strategy. If there are changes in your marketing approach, you can disable the employee until such time as you can repurpose that employee slot.